Hi, I'm Karen and this is Josh from Edible Eden Design. And today we're putting in a statue into the garden and just showing you how simple it is to make sure it doesn't tip over. First of all, we need to put in some sand. So under here, you need it about 2 inches or 50 mil deep, roughly. We're not really measuring. And underneath is the garden or soil. And we're putting this fluffy soil over the top, this whitewashed sand, roughing it up a little bit. Oh, there's a bit of a root there. Underneath, the surface is very uneven and there's roots and all sorts of things. And it the paving stone that's going to support and be a good base for the statue wouldn't be able to sit nicely and be firm without some of this sand to bed into. So that's the whole purpose of it. So we just keep on pushing some of it in. If you're being really fussy, you level it, but we're not being very fussy. We should really. Well, what we can do is put a level on the stone. Let's do that. We've got ourselves a nice piece of paving stone. It's a blue stone. Like this. So it doesn't have to be square. This is a piece of bluestone paving that was left over, and it's got a nice sawn, flat finish to it. Josh, can you pass me the level, please? Just to show you that we had been. Oh,
I nailed it.
it was completely. Let me have a zoom in on this. Actually, it's better that way. Excuse me. Very nicely level. Look, you should check it both ways. It's fractionally should be a little bit more that way, so let's put a bit more underneath there. Can you please hold that for a second? So this is all, you know, it's not a highly technical job. I will check the level on my time, please. You can also, jump on it a bit. That helps. Oh, that's quite good. I mean, it's not something that depends on being level. That's still within the line.
Yeah.
We're going to say that's good. Let's feel the surfaces clean. And we now place the statue. That's good. You ready? We've made it. Yeah. Cheers. Actually, yeah, I know. You don't even know Sutherland. How's that? What? Not moving again, I tell you.